Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2016 Nissan Rogue. Changing the front and rear wiper blade will not require the use of tools. Other models will require the use of tools to change these blades. The engine coolant reservoir is easily visible in the engine bay. This will make it easy to check and replenish the fluid level on a regular basis. The headlight is no problem to change, as you only have to reach behind the housing for access to the assembly. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to use many tools to remove the taillight housing for access to the taillight bulb. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. To change the front turn signal bulb, you will have to remove an air filter intake vent. Other models will not require this step. You will have to complete many steps to reach the reverse light. These steps include removing a panel, a few bolts, and taking the housing out of the vehicle. Overall, the 2016 Nissan Rogue is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain, but shouldn't be too hard for those experienced in vehicle maintenance.